Bite Max, which is the triple tray I have designed, friends, is an ideal tray for implant impressions. That is correct. My recommended and preferred choice for making implant impressions is always a metal triple tray. And the reason I say this is not just because a metal triple tray saves time and material for me, but because it gives me a functional impression. The concept of a triple tray is a closed mouth impression, which means the tray is in the patient's mouth and the patient is biting on the material as it is polymerizing, which means the patient is in MIP, which is a functional position. I'm sure we all remember, as soon as tooth contacts tooth, there is an immediate intrusion, and that is the functional position that I wish to record for my implant scenarios. Remember, when it comes to implant occlusion, the funda for a single posterior tooth is no contact in light bite, light contact in heavy bite. No contact in light bite, light contact in heavy bite. And you check this with a 20 micron or thinner articulating paper. And when you record your impressions in a functional position like this, the possibility of interferences significantly decreases and the possibility of prosthetic failure, that is post-loading failure of implants, will also decrease. So my recommendation for implant impressions is Bite Max from MIK Dental.